When the court closes the case, the conflict often continues. A judge can close your case. A judge cannot end the conflict. I am a lawyer. I am not a psychiatrist, and I do not make clinical diagnoses. But after decades working with high-conflict divorces, domestic violence, harassment, financial disputes, and child custody cases, one reality becomes impossible to ignore. Behavior follows patterns. And this is the key point most people miss. Real-world experience teaches you how to recognize who the people involved really are, and what drives them, what inner forces move them, what they need in order to feel powerful, validated, or even alive, and how they react the moment you set boundaries. Today, words like narcissist and psychopath are used online as insults. That's not what this is. I am not talking about labels, and I am not diagnosing anyone. I am talking about behavioral patterns. And one important clarification: this is not about multiple personalities. In most cases, it is one consistent personality that repeats the same way of functioning again and again. There are two patterns worth understanding as patterns, not medical reports. The narcissistic pattern: the world must reflect my importance. What fuels it? Admiration, validation, image, superiority. Depending on the moment, this person needs to be the hero, the victim, the one who is right, or the one who was wronged. Criticism feels like a threat, and the response often follows: rage, humiliation, silent punishment, or blame shifting. The antisocial or psychopathic pattern is different. The world is a chessboard. What fuels it? Control, power, advantage. This person often reads people very well, not to connect, but to manipulate. There is no internal emotional break. Rules and laws become obstacles to bypass, tools to distort, or weapons to use against others. Here's the crucial distinction: both patterns can manipulate, both can exploit. But the narcissistic pattern fights for image and admiration. The antisocial pattern fights for control and advantage, even if everything burns in the process. And this is why, after divorce, the conflict doesn't magically end. In the next video, I'll explain why he doesn't calm down and what it really means in practice when he changes arenas. Sheinbrum Law Firm, your legal peace of mind in Israel.